So I always had that dream of having that one university life. So I think CAPME has fulfilled all of them as of now. Hi, I'm Punita. I'm from Mumbai. I'm a second year student at TAPME, Bengaluru. I'm doing my BBA honors. So the reason why I came to TAPME is because of the exposure that it gives to all the students out there. I saw their course curriculum, which was very different from all the other colleges. The internship opportunities that they provide, and we recently had an international immersion that we went to. So the exposure that they provide, there are no other colleges that I saw that provided the same. To begin with, the course structure, we have different subjects, like we have anthropology and we have scientific thinking, which a lot of other colleges don't provide. My 11th and 12th was as a junior college. Like, I went to a junior college. I didn't go like to a college. So I always had that dream of having that one university life. So I think CAPME has fulfilled all of them as of now. Like, the campus is huge, pretty huge. This umbrella type academy, that's MAHE, and then there are a lot of departments under it, right? So that's something new for us. I mean, in Indians, that's something new because that's something that happens normally in international business, in international schools. So I believe that something like this could is a highlight of this campus, that there are so many other departments, there are so many other cultures, there's a mix of departments and cultures. So there are people from different backgrounds and you can meet so many new people. And I believe that that's one of the things that helped me grow as a person, as an individual. So one thing that let me get to this college on the whole is the exposure that it provides. So I believe that a lot of colleges don't give internships in the first year. We were given the opportunity to do so. And not only that, there's this particular balance that TAPME keeps with regards to extracurriculars and academics. So, and I feel that's very necessary for every student individually as like a person. So I feel like they've done everything that's possible, like from a cultural fest, that is Kala, to their management fest, that is Adhikshna. And they've had many open mics and competitions, talent hunts, too many activities for the students' well-being, and that balance to be kept. And secondly, we had this the second year students have this international immersion to Dubai, and I believe that that's one thing that led us to a lot of exposure to the company overall, and something that we're studying for, like that's the corporate world. So that is one that the TAPME gave us like an open door towards the corporate world, and made us actually like have an hands-on experience on how the world is around, how the corporate world works. So the first thing that you need with a fresh cup of coffee is a view, and that's what life at TAPME hostels are. Sports facilities that aren't provided in other colleges are there in our hostel. Sports facilities like football, cricket, volleyball, as well as lawn tennis as well. And we have a lot of indoor sports facilities as well, like carom, table tennis, and chess. So whether you're from Mumbai or Punjab, you have all the cuisines out there in our food court. So the food court also provides with a seating arrangement of 3,000 and above students, and the convention hall being one of the attractions of our college altogether, having a seating arrangement again of 1,500 students, which also allows us to have talent shows, have musical contests, have singing contests, so much more. We have so many other facilities on our campus, including the library, the TAPME library, and the medical facilities that the hostel also provides, as well as there's this Blue Duff facility that allows us to order food until 3 a.m. So that's pretty good for your midnight cravings. We study up till 3-4 during exams, so that's pretty good for our midnight cravings to satisfy it. So there's a lot of festivities also that are celebrated at the campus. So we've come from home, right? So we miss our home and the festivals when we celebrate it. So I feel like, they do everything possible from their end to not make us miss home by celebrating it just the way Maharashtrians, we celebrate Ganpati, right? So by keeping Ganpati, having Visarjan. So this whole thing, so many other festivals, they make sure that you don't miss home that time. So I believe that the location for a business school is very important because it not only provides opportunities to the students, but it also provides internships and basically a new open door to a new world, and that's something that TAPME has provided me as a second year student. And I believe that my decision of coming here at TAPME is completely worth it, and like TAPME says, you belong here.